I just found the most insane YouTube hack to get more views on your videos and get discovered on the YouTube homepage. And this is absolutely insane because I just implemented it, I would say like 40 minutes ago, and it has been going up and up since then. So it's not something you have to wait in order to see the result. You literally implement it right now and you see actual results. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I want to know if it's working for you because for me it literally doubled the view on my videos over the last like 40 minutes. And if you are like me, someone who's just getting started on YouTube and getting a bit discouraged by the lack of views, the lack of followers, etc., you may want to try this if you didn't put it in place yet, because it's been literally changing my reach over like 40 minutes. Is quite insane. I was watching YouTube growth videos until I go through one so randomly and I started to read through the different tips, and at some point at tip 3 or 4, I don't remember, like I see this girl mentioning like changing something in YouTube Studio in order to get more views. And as I'm just beginning on YouTube, I didn't know what were the settings I needed to put in place in order to do that. And as it is not automatic or it's not by default, it is something you actually have to edit right now. So I'm going to show you like with my phone, like how you can do it too. And I would love to know if it's working for you, because for me it's been just crazy over the last few minutes. Okay, so what I want you to do is you go in YouTube Studio first. And then when you are in your dashboard, you go into settings just here. Okay. So here, like, you need to make sure you change to the right currency, because me was in USD dollar and I'm actually in UK. So that's, that's not the right currency. And then you go into channel, and you have here the thing I didn't know, a place where you can put your country of residence. It's really important to get pushed to the right people. And on top of that, you have keywords, and these keywords are linked to your channel. So basically, like, all the keywords you put here needs to be relevant, obviously, to what you're posting about, but is indicating to the YouTube algorithm that you are actually about this topic. So your videos are pushed to the right audience right away. And this is something I didn't do since it got started. So I wanted to make sure to share this hack, and please tell me in the comments if it worked for you, because it's been pretty insane for me over the last hour. Like, there is a clear peak. I'm going to show you. There's a clear peak on my video and my views totally doubled in the space of 1 hour since I implemented this tip. So what I truly like about this hack is it's not something you need to implement and you will wait like days or months before to see actual results. I saw result like within an hour. So if you are watching this right now, like, maybe pause the video, put a like and subscribe to, and go back to your studio, YouTube Studio, and add these hashtags linked to your videos. Make sure like it's there around the same area of what you teach. Make sure it's there around the same area of your videos already, so people are able to find videos from you that they can watch around the topic you are putting in your tag. And this is really important because it's really truly helping the algorithm understanding who you are and making a quicker job into pushing your videos in front of the right people. And this is why I think I got so many impressions and so much like watch time over the last hour, because it is showing people who actually want to see this video, my video. So obviously it means like, okay, my content is talking to these people and YouTube is pushing it to them. So I get more watch hours, I get more impressions, more click-through rate, etc. So I'm just going to show you my data right now. Okay, so this is a video I posted literally 4 days ago, as you can see. Bear in mind, like, this morning, like even before I started all of this, I started at 30 views, and you can see there is a peak here. There is a peak here. From the moment I implemented this, there is a peak. You can see like the views coming up. And there is nothing else I have done to make this happen. So I am absolutely sure this is what happened, is changing the keywords in the setting of my channel. And I wish to know if it's doing the same for you, because for me it's pretty insane. I'm going to give you like a report maybe in 1 week to see how many views has this video, to see if it's actually because of this hack. But I would love to know if you implemented this, like if this happened for you too, because that's pretty insane. and I think a great resource and a great hack for anyone who want to grow on YouTube, like this month or next month or next year. And I'm so thankful for the creator. I don't have a name right now on top of my head, but I'm so thankful for the creator who told me about like all these little hack, and I just picked this one and I just implemented this one, and it actually made a difference. It's pretty insane. I'm not going to do a longer video because I don't think there is anything more to say just right now, but I just want to tell you, like, if you are willing to grow on YouTube, I'm no YouTube specialist, but this hack worked for me. I have a small channel right now. I have like under 800 followers, and I'm sure it's working for pretty much anyone. So if you want to really grow your visibility, grow your video views, or even like your impressions on YouTube, become onto the homepage for more people, I really advise you to put this hack in place. It worked for me. I show you like the data and everything. I literally drop everything to record this video so I can make sure a lot of people benefit from it as soon as possible. There's probably going to be no editing, maybe like a nice thumbnail, but that's it. And I wish you really the best in your YouTube journey. And if you want to follow along, I make sure to drop all the hacks on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, because that's what I do too. I help people grow on social media and find the best way of growing massive audience on social media. And if you want to make this happen for you, I really advise you to follow me and enjoy this. And please put in the comment if it works for you or not, because I'm so curious to know if this actually works. And make sure to share with everyone who is doing YouTube if it's working for you, so you can we can all grow together. And wish you the best of luck. See you soon.